कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है, उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है. वेलकम टू TRS Clips.
But you know, the most interesting thing that was an eye opener for me was, so I worked with Prabhas now, and he is exactly like this.
Childlike.
No games,
Hmm.
no politics, no fakeness, none of that. And so I used to always think that, will I ever make it big? Because being this soft and being this sweet and nice and oh, it's okay, great, yeah, okay, done, being like that, how will I make it very big? But after I met him and worked with him is when I realized he is even more childlike than me. He is even more soft and sweet and genuine and all of that than me. And if he can be today India's biggest superstar, I feel he is. So if he can be that, then maybe being like that is better, na?
Like the reason I'm valuing what you're saying is मुझे अब तक बातें करके ये पता चला कि आपका पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत करेक्ट है, एक्यूरेट है, आप बहुत ऑब्जर्वेंट हो.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो
मुझे ना फील हो जाता है. इट्स लाइक आई मीट समवन एंड फॉर सम रीजन आई फील लाइक आई कैन फील देयर कोर. लाइक आई कैन जस्ट फील इट.
प्रभास का कोर क्या है?
प्योर.
प्योरिटी,
मतलब जो एक वाइट हार्ट इमोजी है ना,
शुद्धता.
ही इज अ वेरी 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 ही इज अ लवली ह्यूमन बीइंग. मतलब वो एक्टर है. वंस यू मीट हिम यू विल फॉरगेट द फैक्ट दैट ही इज एन एक्टर. यू विल फॉरगेट द फैक्ट दैट ही इज बीन वर्किंग इन दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर द लास्ट 20-25 years. He's not like that. He's not a commercial guy. He doesn't have like PR teams. He doesn't have all this politics that goes on. He's very simple. And he is so, it's like meeting like a 5-year-old baby, meeting him. मतलब intentions उनके उतने pure होते हैं. And he's so excited about filmmaking. So I have like newfound respect for him after working with him. The nicest person I've met in my life, not in the industry, in life.
Yeah.
That's him.
I remember after बाहुबली मैंने तेलुगु सिनेमा बाहुबली के थ्रू डिस्कवर करा था.
Same.
And I speak for many other Indians.
जी, same.
Yeah. I started reading up about Prabhas. और ये मेरे को पता चला कि उनका एक 20 साल लंबा करियर रह चुका है. फिर बाहुबली हुई उनकी लाइफ.
Yeah.
और यहाँ हम ना 3 साल 5 साल 10 सालों के करियर को लेकर रोने लगते हैं. क्या थक गए, जेडेड हो गए. बट 20 साल लगे उनको एक बाहुबली के लिए.
Absolutely.
And now we're having these conversations about it. But
Yeah.
20 सालों के सफर में उनने खुद के दिल को साफ रखा.
दिल को साफ
That's the win.
रखा. Absolutely. And बाहुबली के पहले भी there was 5 years of shooting just for that film. Physically very 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 taxing, and I think not doing any other films. Or मतलब what people see is one thing, but the internal journey also of an actor is a whole other story. Only when you talk to them you'll understand what they go through at that point of time. And the biggest thing is when Bahubali released, the first day there was flop talk. They were like, it's a disaster.
Why?
It took people a while for them to accept the film, to understand it and to celebrate it like the way they did. But पहले दिन पे judgment था disaster. तो imagine कि 5 साल काम करने के बाद में sacrificing everything, waking up the next morning and seeing that okay, it's all gone for a waste. And then it picks up. So just imagine the roller coaster for that person mentally. You know, those 48 hours or those 4 days. It's a roller coaster ride.
Do you think he's also detached from the results?
I think he is very detached from the results, and I am slowly seeing that his way is the right way, because he does his job, he gives his best.
I feel कि ये जो career anxiety feel होती है ना हर किसी को,
Gen
Z's
है,
को,
even I feel it a lot.
all of us feel it. The only way to handle that is the core Gita lesson. कि just give your efforts 100%, don't care about
That's
the fruit.
it. Because हर चीज़ का ना time होता है.
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.